Okay, why?
Okay, I call this meeting because if one of us will die and then the imposter will win this round. So I'm thinking it's you. I don't know, but I think it's you, Yodo. Putang
I
ina.
think it's Ate Patty.
Why me? I think it's you.
I think
It's
it's
you.
Patrick.
It's you. Ano, it's
Still
you.
blaming.
It's the both of you, mga potang inang yan. Ako na naman.
You're
Ako na nga
blaming
yung
her.
Okay,
It's not
explain
me,
Ate
no.
Patty why you think it's Ate Ru.
I think it's not Yodo. I think it's
I think it's
really,
not you.
I think it's really you, Hatsi. I think it's really
Okay,
you.
why do you think it's me?
I kept seeing you like you're not doing any task, and and
Actually, when David died, I saw Hatsi first.
see, you
Oh,
should have.
it's Ate Ru. It's Ate Ru. I
It's
think
Ate
Ate
Ru.
Ru.
It's
I'm just
no, it's
saying,
Hatsi. No,
when
it's
David
Hatsi.
died,
No, it's
I saw
Hatsi.
Hatsi first.
I think
I
it's
didn't
Hatsi.
saw
I think it's
Ate Ru.
Hatsi.
You
I
did see
didn't
me.
see. I didn't see Ate Ru.
Oh, I
Okay,
did. I did see you. You're yellow, right?
where did you see
Okay,
me, Ate?
tell me the
Before
task
the
that.
zip line, I saw you, and then
So
when I
it's
came,
you. It was
no,
you who
before
used
the
the
zip
zip
line.
line.
No, I did not. Before the zip line, I saw you.
I
Putang
didn't.
ina,
You
ito
were there
mahirap.
No.
first, and then
This
I
is the
saw you.
hardest
I
shit
vote
that
for
I've ever
Ate Ru
did to my
because
life. What the fuck?
I
I'm in.
didn't see her like so I someone used the zip line and I wasn't sure if it's Kuya Ray or Ate Ru, but I saw it was color blue. I remembered it
Because
was
I didn't do the
blue.
zip line.
So so I when I used the zip line, I didn't see anyone. So I think it's Ate Ru. It's Ate Ru. I'm gonna vote for Ate Ru.
It's like
Ate,
you've
Ate,
been.
I swear. Ate Pat, I swear it's Ate
Before,
Ru.
I just saw Hatsi before the zip line, and then when David died, I saw Patty and Hatsi. So I didn't vote because I didn't see really the murder. I only saw them. I passed by them. So
But why are
So,
you? But
Ate Patty,
wag ka
I
mag-English.
was below, like, ang ina. I came from the jungle, like, I was walking up to the communications, and then when I went up, I used the zip line, and then I saw someone. But when I was, like, going up to the communications, I didn't see anybody. So, I'm gonna vote for Ate Ru. It's Ate Ru.
I think
Ate, you believe me.
I think
okay,
it's.
let me check the map. Where's the communication?
I think we have one common task. Tell me what are the tasks that you guys did?
I did the trash and then the communications, the one where you pok 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 pok. I'm voting Ate Ru.
I'm
Ate,
voting.
voting ends na.
Ay, voting na ba? Okay.
Ala, we're gonna die.
Putang ina, we're gonna
Si Ate
die.
hindi nagboto.
Oo nga eh. Putang.
No, I did. I did
This
vote.
Ate Patty.
Ako nagboto
okay.
ako.
Wala kang vote.
Binot
Ay, sorry.
Binoto ko si Atsi. Binoto ko si Atsi.
Ate Ru
No,
yung
no, no,
ano.
no, no. Huwag ka lumapit sa
I think it's Ate Patty. You're the impostor.
Ako na naman. Ay, we
May
can
nalapit
talk
sa
nga
akin.
pala. We can talk.
Ay, sorry.
I think it's Ate Patty, you know why? Because first he killed Jay and then next he killed David. So like Ate Patty is the only one who's gonna do that. So I'm gonna vote Ate Patty.
No.
Ate.
She's
No,
panicking.
no, 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 no,
Ate
no,
Patty.
no. You know
Because-
what, Yodo? She's been pointing me out like since first
No.
meeting. It's Hatsi, Yodo. And
No,
yeah,
Ate. Just look at the
you were blaming
the first
Yodo.
one who
You were
died was
blaming Yodo
Kuroji,
that she's
and then
she's
the
the
second
killer,
one
and then
is
you're
David.
saying it's me now. What the
It's
fuck?
gonna be Ate Patty.
No, it's not me. What the fuck, guys? What the fuck? After
Ate Patty.
you blame Yodo, you will blame me. Ulul. What the
It's
fuck?
Ate Patty.
It's not me. I'm gonna vote for Hatsi. I've been eyeing on Hatsi. I think it's
Ate
Hatsi.
Patty. It's Ate
Putang
Patty.
ina,
Look,
we
the
will
first
end-
one who died is Korod, is Jay. And then the second one was David.
How did you know?
That's Ate Patty's, yeah.
That's- no, that's Ate Patty's,
if Ate
yeah.
Patty's,
No.
if there's gonna be a purge, that's the first, those are the people that Ate
That-
Patty will kill.
No, no,
Yes,
that's not true.
I'm
That's not
gonna
true.
vote for Ate Patty.
No. No, Yodo.
Yes.
She's a good at telling fake stories, Yodo. I didn't do anything.
No, I'm not
I'm the person
lying.
who keeps on calling the who keeps on pressing the or using the
Yeah,
meeting
because you
because
weren't doing any task. You were
I'm
just
done with all my tasks.
saying-
I'm done with all
you-
my tasks. So tell me what is the
No,
one
no, we can't tell
Yodo,
that.
Yodo,
That's
Yodo,
not
tell
part
me
of the rules.
No. Tell me, Yodo, what are the tasks that you did?
We can't do that because it's not gonna be
Just, sige.
That
okay.
task.
Ah,
So,
see? Yodo, it's so obvious. Yodo, it's so obvious.
No, let me
It's not.
hear me out first, Ate Ruth.
Let me hear
Like,
you.
from the beginning, Ate Ruth just in the meeting room. Like, whenever I pass in the meeting room, she's just always there trying to start a meeting to point out, to point fingers. See?
fingers.
See?
See?
It's her. It's her. I think
It's
it's
you.
her.
No, it's not me, Yodo. You know
No,
what?
Ate.
You
You
know
believe
what?
me, it's Ate Patty.
Yodo, I value, remember this, I value our friendship and I will never dare, I will never dare
Dinaan sa ganun,
to
dinaan.
kill
Naku po.
either you or Pri. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you the whole truth and
No,
nothing but
because
the
the
truth.
first one who died
Because-
was Jay and then David.
No.
It's gonna be Ate Patty.
No, it's not me because David is my friend, Jay is my friend. All of you are my
No,
friends.
that's your love language.
Put
I'm
mo
gonna
my
vote
racket.
Ate Patty
No.
because she's been in the meeting
May
room
racket.
from the beginning and
from
then
from the
yeah,
beginning.
and then she's
What the fuck?
always the one who's starting the meetings and then she's like, oh,
Because you are
me, it's-
suspicious. Hatsi is
I'm
so
not
suspicious and I smell the
no, it's
I
Ate Patty.
I can
vote
smell
for
you.
Ate Patty.
I can
I
smell
vote
you.
for Ate Patty.
You're a criminal. You do vote for Hatsi.
No!
Perfect.
Ate
Perfect.
Ruth.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, who's the real imposter now?
What the fuck?
Ay, nako.
Yodo.
Ate, nag-away pa tayo. Ang dami pa natin explanation.
Grabe siya. Dinaan niya sa katahimikan.
It's you, Yodo. What the fuck?
Pinabayaan.
Mag-away kayo
David.
dyan, mananalo ko.